For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
The Ram Mandir Trust has decided to halt the construction of the temple for now. The decision was taken amid rising tensions between India and China. The decision was taken after 20 Indian Army personnel were martyred along the Galwan Valley. The Ram Mandir Trust has expressed concern over the prevailing situation in the country. The Ram Mandir Trust referred to the situation as very serious. Defending the country is the most important thing, said the Ram Mandir Trust. A new date to begin the construction will be decided soon. The Ram Mandir Trust has said that a decision would be made after things improve in the country. The trust has also warned against fake news about the new construction date. The Ram Mandir Trust has been charged with the construction of Ram Temple at Ayodhya. The construction of the temple was scheduled to begin on June 10th. The Ram Temple construction was to begin after the historic verdict from the Supreme Court last year. Several plans had been put in place for the construction to begin after decades of legal tangle. Special prayers were also scheduled to take place before the construction. Various Hindu organizations have expressed anger against China's aggression at the border. This is the first violent clash in Galwan Valley in over 40 years. The clash signifies the most intense military combat between India and China since 1967. In March, the Ram Lalla deity was ceremoniously removed to another spot for the construction to begin. On May 11th, earth movers were also brought in for the construction. In November, Supreme Court had ruled in favor of the construction of the temple on the site. An alternate 5-acre plot has been assigned for the construction of a mosque. Earlier, construction had been halted due to the lockdown. 4.60 crore rupees had also been donated to the two accounts of the trust during the lockdown. Preparations had been made to begin the construction with social distancing norms. The temple is set to be constructed over 2 floors spanning 268 feet in length, 140 feet in width and 128 feet in height. The temple construction is expected to be finished by 2022.